Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. The Table View feature in PPC Ad Editor allows you to efficiently manage and bulk edit Google responsive search ads using a spreadsheet-like interface. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Table View to streamline your workflow. In the side navigation bar, click on Previews. Table View is only available for Google responsive search ads, so ensure you're working with the correct ad type before proceeding. In the list of previews, click the Preview button next to the desired entry. You can append your ad and add additional campaigns using spreadsheet data. The entries will be added to the table view, updating your existing ad content. Navigate to the top navigation bar and click on Edit Mode. Click on the Table View tab to switch to the spreadsheet-like interface. Open your spreadsheet containing the ad data. Ensure it follows the standard bulk sheet format with columns like campaign, ad group, final URL, headlines, descriptions, etc. Select the entire dataset you wish to import, then copy the data. Return to Table View in PPC Ad Editor. Click the Paste from Clipboard button right above the table. If you want to delete existing data, click Replace or Clear the sheet first. In this tutorial, I will add new data into existing data. To add data, click the Append button. The system will automatically map the data. Double-check and adjust the mapping if needed to ensure accuracy. Click the Preview button on the right to quickly review your ad campaign. Close the preview by clicking the X button at the top right. Click the Update button at the bottom right of the screen. Wait a moment while the system refreshes. Click on the Preview button next to Untitled Preview in the Background Process section. Using the Paste Data into a Table feature in PPC Ad Editor streamlines ad creation, helping you save time while ensuring accuracy. By following these steps and checking for potential formatting issues, you can efficiently manage multiple RSAs without hassle.